Hello, guys. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So, this is the University of Palermo. I just want to scroll and show you guys international courses that they are offering. Their tuition is lower than 400 euros. They have no application fee. Their process is quite straightforward, but the application portal is quite difficult. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process on how to apply. So I just wanted to show you guys the international courses they are offering for bachelors, then for masters. So just go through it and apply. The application is ending very soon, so make sure you apply as soon as possible. So I'll be attaching the link for the international courses on my video description below. Okay, let's move on to the application. Going to the home page so that we can register, we'll come here to this symbol, we'll tap on it so that you can take us to the home page. So this is it. Then we'll tap on student secretariat. Yeah, then you scroll down to students. So this is where you're going to be registering. Register on student portal. You're going to tap on it. Then it's going to take you to student registration. If you're an international student, you already have an Italian tax code, go to the registration with Italian tax code. Otherwise, go to the international student. If you're an Italian student, go to the registration with Italian tax code. So since you're an international student without Italian tax code, we're going to be coming here to international students. Continue. So this is where I am going to be inputting your informations. I've already registered before, so I'm just going to be putting anything so that I can show you guys. So I'm just going to put in my name. This should be surname, name. You can put your date of birth, gender, your nationality, Nigeria. You put the one that applies to you. So your place of birth, you come here to this three dots and tap on the screen. Then you put your country, Nigeria. Then you tap on select. Then the city, that's your place of birth. Now you can find that on your international passport. You put the one that applies to you, Lagos. If you can't find your place of birth, just if you see your state where your place of birth is at, you can put it. But mine is Lagos. Lagos is here. But I'm sure that some people will not be able to see their local government. If you can't, just put your state instead. So confirm. So now you put your email address. So if you try to copy and paste, so I'm going to type the same thing here. I'm going to verify. Continue. So now address information. So you're going to be putting your information here. If you're a student already enrolled in this, or you can't specify, okay, no, you're just registering. So you're going to search for your city here. You're going to put your country like you did for your place of birth. Let's put my Nigeria. Then select. Then come here. I'm going to put Lagos. Put the one that applies to you. Then you're going to be following their example here. Your address number should come after your address. So when you put your address, you come out, then you put your number. The number should not come before the address. So I'm going to put mine, Terra Island. This is how your address should look like. Yes. So you put your number. Your number should also appear like this too. I'm going to put 234. I'm going to put your hyphen. Just like this. Then you scroll down. Italian address, you're not residing in Italy, so you're going to ignore this. So your postal address, going to put your postal code here. So I'm just going to put anything. So send email, just put your residence. You want to send your email, then you can put your phone number here. You're going to put it this way and the way you did it before, just like that. So I'm just going to change this. Then I'm just going to copy, so I can put it in this side. Please, it's compulsory to put your number here, so do not ignore it. You have to put your numbers. Just put it this way without the hyphen. Then you go and check, okay, everything is correct. Then you continue. So now, summary personal data student. So you check your informations. If you put everything correctly, you can copy your tax code in case everything is correct. So you confirm. So now after confirming, you're going to be getting an email. That email is to confirm your verification. When you confirm it, they're going to send you another email containing your username, which is going to be your name and your surname, and a link to create your password. So when you create your password, we're going to go back to login. So let me go create mine. So after creating your password, you're going to come to click here to access our services. Okay. So you're going to translate. You can translate from here. You can translate from your website by clicking here. Then you see translate here. So click here to enter your personal area. So you're going to be clicking here. So you can log in with your username that appeared on your email and the password you created. So I'm going to just log in. So when you log in with your username and password, it's going to take you here, student portal, your application form. So you're going to pick the category that applies to you. So this is Italy, but it's also translated here in English. So calls and enrollment applications, other type enrollment, all these do not apply to you. Just pick the first one. So there's a drop down. So you look at them, all this one does not apply to you. Then enrollment, bachelor's degree and master's degree. So you pick the fourth one. If you're enrolling for your BSc or master's, okay, it has already been picked for your enrollment, bachelor's degree and master's degree. That's already been selected. So you just tap on next. So now we are in our step one. Let's Palermo first enrollment year 2026. You don't need to put any details here, so ignore this, is not compulsory. Just move to next. So here we're to select a degree program. So your degree program type, single cycle, master's, bachelor's. We're going for a master's, so pick the one that applies to you. Then you select. Then you're going to scroll down to degree program type. Okay, master's degree pro. This is where you're going to be picking the course that you are going for. So remember earlier I showed you guys the international courses covered in English. So you can go back and look for your LM number that's your course carries and look for your course. It's easier for you to look for your course that way because all the courses here are also taught in Italy and English together, so you do not mix them up. So I'm going to pick mine, computer science and artificial intelligence LM18, which is taught in English. So I'm going to select. So after selecting your course, you're going to scroll down to automatic assessment of curricular requirements. Please note, to enroll in the degree program you have selected, it is necessary to verify the curricular entry requirements. If you have any questions or concerns, please consult the above link. So here we are going to please specify the following key. I'm a graduate student has already been selected. My university of origin, you're not
you're not a student in University of Palermo, so you can ignore this. My university of origin is a foreign institution. Okay, you click here. So your final grade, you're going to be calculating your CGPA over your overall over 5.0 4.0 times 110. So my CGPA is 3.68. So we can calculate 3.68 over 5.0. If your university is over 4 point, you can use 4 point, is the one that applies to you. So my university uses a 5.0 overall. So I'm going to be saying 3.68 over 5.0 times 110. That's how you get your score. That is how you calculate your CGPA to an Italian grading scale. So 3.68 over 5.0 times 110, which is 80.96. So approximately my final grade is 81 over 110. So this means with honors, I was not able to translate because of network. So this means with honors, so you can only say yes if your final grade is higher than 110. Since my final grade is 81, I'm going to be saying no. So right here, you're going to be putting your graduation, putting on that question. Then scroll down. Degree program classification. Please note, do not enter any information if you have graduated under the former university regulation. So this is not applied to you, so just ignore it. So you're going to come here, and this section is called the student notes to be sent to the coordinating teachers. This is compulsory. This is a compulsory field on the enrollment portal. So here you are expected to briefly explain your academic background and show how it relates to the master's degree that you are enrolling for here. So don't copy your motivation letter here. Just write a short explanation showing that your previous degree prepares you for the course you have been or you want to be admitted to. So I have a bachelor's degree in computer science and I'm going for computer science and artificial intelligence. So I'm going to be writing my student annotation. So I'm going to say something like this. I hold a bachelor's degree. I hold a bachelor's degree in computer science, which provides me with a strong foundation in programming, software development, and all that. So that's just what you're going to do. So you say, you put in the one that applies to you. So let me just copy and paste mine here. So write according to your own academic background. If your bachelor's degree is related to your master's, just so it has been accepted. Automatic assessment of curricular requirements completed. So I'm going to scroll down. They have accepted it. So you're going to click on next. Then it's loading network. So you're going to scroll down. So right here, you're going to upload your document. But before you upload your photo, before you upload your photo, um, you're going to create your application form first. Because if you upload your photo before creating your application portal, everything that you have done, you have to restart it again. So let's just create our application form first. So yes, that's it. So you're going to scroll down. This is where you're going to be attaching your documents. So before doing that, let's go and upload our photo. So yeah, this is where you're going to be uploading your photo. Let me try and translate it to Italian, make it to English. Okay, so you're going to be coming here, load here, you tap on it, then you upload your picture, then you scroll down, you authorize it. I've already done that. Then you save. Then to go back to your portal, so these are your information. You can look right at it. Then you come back to student portal to access your application. So this is it. So you're just going to tap on my applications. So if you had not created your practice before uploading your picture, you will not be seeing this. Then you'll have to start all over again. So you're going to come to your application number so you can continue your application. So yes. So you go back to where you stopped. So here you're going to upload in your 5 documents. So yes, these are the 5 documents: your certificate, your motivation letter, your CV, your university transcript, and your English proficiency letter. So you're going to come here next. So this is the final stage of your application. So yes, please note, okay, you can just go through this. Then you come down here. This is where you're going to be attaching your documents again. So briefly describe the reasons for your application. Now, remember you've already uploaded your PDF motivation letter on the other section. But what I usually do, I summarize the motivation letter I've written in 300 characters. I just put some important notes here, then I leave it at that. They have a word limit, so you cannot attach the full motivation letter you wrote initially. So just narrate it in like 300 to 400 characters. Here, you can say something like, I have a bachelor's degree in this. I have professional experience in this. You just talk about how your professional and academic um experience relates to the master's degree you are applying for. So these are the documents needed for the last page. So you're going to tap on this drop down. Your valid passport, your passport photo, which is your passport photograph, your transcript of record, your bachelor's degree certificate, your CV, your English proficiency letter, and any additional documents you may have. If you have any, it's not compulsory, but if you have any additional document that will support your application, you can add them here. So that is it. So after uploading your documents, when you upload, you attach, you come and tap the next one, then you upload it, you attach it, and everything will come down here. There is no need for me to do that. I've already submitted my application already. So after uploading all these documents, everything here is compulsory except from the additional documents. So if you don't have it, it's still fine. Then you confirm. When you confirm, your application will be submitted and you cannot make any other corrections. So make sure you go through your application before you confirm and submit. So when you submit it, to say waiting for validation. And I also have um a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for this Palermo scholarship on my video. You can check my channel. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed.